In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your right AirPod or your left AirPod is not working. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Then the next step is just go to settings, and from here just tap on the name of your AirPods in the main page of the settings. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of forget device. Just tap on forget device. Now after you do that, now the next step is just place both of your AirPods in the case and close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just open the lid back open. Now just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. This is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED light up on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset of your AirPod. Now if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPod, you will find a button at the back of the AirPod. Now to factory reset that type of AirPods, first of all, just open the lid, then just press and hold the button at the back of the AirPod. Now just press and hold that button until the LED turns orange, then just keep pressing until the LED turns from orange to white, which indicates that you have completed the factory reset process. Now after you've done that, now just close the lid of your AirPods, then wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and pair your AirPods back with your iPhone. And check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on the name of your AirPods. And from here, just check if both of your AirPods are charging or not. As you can see, currently both of our AirPods is charging, but if one of them stopped charging, for example, I will remove this one. As you can see, it is showing that one of them is charging and the other is not. If you have noticed that both of them are in the case, but if one of them is only charging, then just remove the AirPod which is not charging and blow into the place of the AirPod. Or just use compressed air to remove any dust or debris which might be causing your AirPod not to charge. And also clean the bottom part of your AirPod. And after that, just place your AirPods back in the case and check if they're charging or not. Now if both of your AirPods are charging, but if you're still facing this issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to the main settings page and tap on accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on audio and visual. And from here, you will find the option of balance. Now, if this balance slider is either on the right side or on the left side, one of your AirPods will not work. Now to fix this issue, just balance this slider in the center. And after you do that, you will fix the right or the left AirPod is not working issue on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.